mother who killed her baby in a microwave oven will live or die.
That she took her 1-month-old baby girl, put her in the microwave oven, cooked her alive.
28-day-old baby Paris Talley by burning her in a microwave. Some call China Arnold the microwave mom.
China Arnold was born on the 29th of March 1980, making her 25 years old at the time. She lived in Dayton, Ohio with her boyfriend Terrell Talley and her children. In August 2005, China had a baby called Paris, which caused arguments between the couple as Terrell was unsure whether he was Paris's biological father. Terrell also admitted to China he had been unfaithful to her as he had slept with a neighbour from the same housing complex. However, their daughter Paris wouldn't even be alive for a month before she was brutally murdered. On August the 29th, 2005, following an argument with her boyfriend Terrell about their daughter's paternity, which DNA tests later revealed that he was indeed the father, Terrell left the house. An intoxicated China, with her other children in bed upstairs, then put her 28-day-old daughter into the microwave and turned it on for at least 2 to 3 minutes. This caused Paris's internal organs to reach critical temperatures of 107 to 108 degrees Fahrenheit, nearly cooking her alive. It's hard to believe that after hearing the crackling, popping and the smell of burning flesh coming from the microwave that she didn't stop it. It is suspected that Paris died shortly after being taken out of the microwave. China didn't even take her own child to the hospital until the next day. Paris had visible burn marks on her skin and was pronounced dead on August 30th, 2005 at the Children's Medical Center in Dayton, Ohio. The police were informed of the suspicious death and arrested and questioned China, but she was later released due to lack of evidence. China's house was searched and a homicide detective found a tub in the upstairs bathroom filled with cloudy water. He also found a damp towel in the bathtub that had dark sediment on it. China was rearrested in November 2006 and stood her first trial for aggravated murder. In the first trial, Terrell's son from a previous relationship who was only 5 years old at the time was brought in as a witness. The boy said he'd seen a neighbourhood boy put the baby into the microwave, and he himself had taken baby Paris out of the microwave. This testimony led to a mistrial. During the second trial, the prosecution established that Terrell's son had not even been in the area on the 29th of August 2005, so he could not have even witnessed anything to do with the baby's murder. The prosecution had the taped testimony of China's cellmate who she had formed a close relationship with whilst in jail awaiting trial. She stated that China admitted to microwaving the baby because she was afraid her boyfriend would leave her if he found out he wasn't the father. In September 2008, China Arnold was convicted of aggravated murder and was sentenced to life. However, the 2nd District Court of Appeals reversed the conviction in September 2010. So yet again, China was taken to trial for the 3rd and final time in May 2011.
She had to press start to cook her child.
A mental exam was done on China, and 2 psychologists determined that China Arnold had an average IQ and no significant mental illness. The jury found China guilty of aggravated murder.
Finds the defendant, China Arnold, guilty of the crime of aggravated murder. To juror number 7, is this your verdict?
China's defense attorney said the death penalty should only go to the worst offenders. He pointed to evidence that his client was drunk at the time of the baby's death. China was eventually found guilty and was sentenced to life in prison without parole. Do you think China should have gotten the death sentence? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.